Hi guys, it's Maddie here. I'm coming to you today with a tutorial on how to create and embed a Instagram widget onto your website. Now I use LightWidget because primarily it is a one-time payment of $10 rather than a repeating month payment that a lot of different widgets cost. So I like it and I think it does the job. It's hardy, and yeah, so I'm going to be creating the same one that's on my website today, which is just one row, 6 photos, and I just put it above my footer. And then on mobile view, it actually changes to just 2 images so that I'm not squished up with 6 images quite small on the screen. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into LightWidget. So you can create your free account and just log in with the Facebook option so that you can get to your business account if you have a business account on Instagram. Just make sure that your username is correct up here, and what you're going to want to go to is make sure that it is a grid widget for the type that I have on my website. We're going to put in 6 columns in 1 row. And then for the image hover effect, you have total control over this. You can check them by going to the preview thing, but so I'm going to show you what this one will look like if you use, yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm going to leave it at that. You can try out the other ones and just press the preview. So that is completely up to you. So padding is just the space between each photo. So I think 2 padding is good for me. 0 padding would have them directly on top of each other side by side. So that's good to know. And then we want to keep it a square because we want it all a neat line. And having the original, I don't know if it's going to show this. Doesn't really do much. So by the looks of it, we're just going to keep it like this. And then the click action, you can either go to post or profile. I probably just recommend post because they can click on your profile if they want to. And if they're clicking on it, there's no point blocking it because they obviously want to see the photo up closer. And that's all you need to worry about for the desktop version. You're going to want to go to add after this. And this is to make the mobile responsive version. So I put in 480 for this one. You can use different resolutions. You can make multiple breakpoints for iPads and larger screens, but the Showit screen size is about 480, and I found that this works for me. So again, just see if it works for you. It should be fine. And then I actually put in Slideshow for this one. Like I said, this is when we had the 2 photos side by side, and it actually will slide through the 6 most recent photos on my account. So I'm going to put in 2 columns and 6 photos is good. That way it's all quite relevant. And then although it's on a mobile and you can't really see, you can't really hover on a mobile, I just like to put something generic anyway. So I think that's good for me. The font size I usually just leave as is. Preview. And then here's where you can check it. You literally drag it, and then once it hits that breakpoint, it's going to show you what it's going to look like. So drag it up and drag it down, and there we go. Right, so that is literally how you set it up. You're going to want to get the code after this, and it's going to create a code. This code actually doesn't work on most website builders. I've not had any luck with it, so unfortunately, this is where you have to upgrade and get the SSL secured version. And it's $10. It's a one-time fee, so I think it is worth it. Yeah, so once you do that, it's going to give you a code, which is pretty much going to be very similar to this. And then I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how you can set it up on your own. Otherwise, you can just send it to your web designer if you have one, and they can just put it in for you. So I'm going to give you a tutorial for Showit. Yep, here we go. But I would assume that most website builders are going to have an option for this. You're going to want to find something that has embed code. So this is the Showit one. And you're going to want to resize it for the area that you want it in. So this is the canvas that my Instagram is in. And basically all I've done, I'm just going to double click that now, in the code section, I've just pasted that code and saved it. And then you can publish it. And hopefully, with luck, it will be live. And you can make sure that, just make sure that you check that on your mobile as well, and make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. But other than that, that is hopefully a really quick tutorial on how to do it. If you like it, let me know. Thanks, guys.